So I'm going to look at one of the case studies out of the book, and this one is highlighting issues around the rights and entitlements and reasonable excuse. So let's see what it says. A driver is involved in a road traffic collision. Officers attend but do not have an electronic screening device. They can smell some alcohol and the driver states that they've had a pint before driving. Officers arrest the driver on suspicion of driving whilst unfit. Upon arrival at police custody, the driver is verbally told their rights and they can speak to a solicitor at any time. They immediately ask for a solicitor. The custody sergeant does not provide the hard copy of the rights and entitlements or draw the detainee's attention to the section which specifically relates to drink driving procedures, and that procedures can be carried out before they receive legal advice. The driver keeps asking for a solicitor and stating, "You've just told me I can have one at any time." They repeatedly ask for the sergeant to show them where it states that they are unable to speak to a solicitor before the evidential procedure commences, but the custody sergeant refuses to do so. The statutory warning is provided to the detainee, who continues to state he wants legal advice as per his rights. He is charged with failure to provide without reasonable excuse. So what do you think are the issues in this scenario? So although we cover them in the book, some issues that you need to consider would include: the driver must be given a hard copy of their rights and entitlements and be permitted a reasonable time to read them. The sergeant should have drawn the detainee's attention specifically to the paragraph concerning the rights to speak to a solicitor prior to the evidential procedure. And then the question then for the district judge or magistrates is, was their refusal reasonable or not? Because always remember, it's the district judge or the magistrates who decide whether it's reasonable. The only safe prosecution in this scenario is for the custody sergeant to comply with the law and procedures. You must give the detainee their rights verbally, written, and allow a reasonable time for them to look at them and assist with their understanding of the rights. If after this the driver still declines to provide, then it will be a safer prosecution for failure to provide.